In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile photo in Houzz. A clear, up-to-date profile photo helps people recognize you and adds credibility to your presence. So let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to houzz.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your profile settings. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile avatar or initial there. Click it to open your profile. On your profile page, find the small pencil icon, which is the edit option. Click that to open your profile editing view. Now move your cursor over your current profile picture. When you hover over it, an option appears. Go ahead and click the image area to start changing it. You'll see an upload panel with a prompt that says you can click or drag and drop files to upload. If your new picture is handy, you can drag it right into that space. Otherwise, click the upload area to open your computer's file picker, then navigate to the photo you want and select it. Houzz supports common image formats, and a high-resolution photo will look best. After the image uploads, you'll get a cropping box. Drag the corners of the box to adjust the size and click and drag inside the box to move the picture so your face is centered. Aim for even lighting, a simple background, and a little space around your head so it doesn't feel cramped. If what you selected doesn't look right, you can use the same upload area to choose a different image before saving. Take a moment to double check the preview. Remember that your profile photo appears small in many places across the site, so strong contrast and a clear head and shoulders framing help it stand out. When you're happy with the positioning, click Save. You should see your profile update immediately. If it doesn't refresh right away, wait a few seconds or reload the page. That's it. Your new profile photo is live. From here, you can continue refining your profile details in the same edit view, or return to browsing and engaging on Houzz with a polished professional look. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, keep this method in mind anytime you want to refresh your image in the future.